One speciality of the MBS 240E micro bandsaw is its ability to cut absolutely clean curves that do not require any finishing work. The reason for this is not only the sophisticated and extremely accurate saw blade guide, but also full-wave electronic blade speed control, which enables speed control between 180 and 330 meters per minute. The slender bandsaw blade width gives you maximum freedom when guiding the cut. A comprehensive range of band and bimetal bandsaw blades ensures a perfect cut when working with steel, stainless steel, non-ferrous metals, wood and plastic. The impressive mechanism employed is worth a second look. A ribbed die-cast aluminium housing ensures complete stability during work and firmly holds the double ball-bearing mounted band pulleys. The blade guide is a sophisticated design with 3 ball bearings, which can be adjusted in height. This ensures a long service life and maximum blade running precision. And miter sawing has also not been forgotten. Simply pivot the table into the desired position, secure with the Tommy screw, and away you go. The scope of delivery is rounded off with a miter fence, a push stick, and an adapter for a powerful dust extractor. We recommend our CW-matic compact vacuum cleaner for this purpose, a powerful model with particularly quiet running characteristics. All these advantages make our MBS 240E an absolutely unbeatable addition to any workshop. Proxxon, tools with character.